You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names for more confusing names of different children from Elon Musk. Make sure to stay tuned. That's Elon Musk's 14th kid. The name is pronounced as Seldon, and in English the second name is the name of a character from ancient Greece, from Sparta, pronounced in English as Lycurgus, but in Greek it's normally pronounced as Lycurgus. Therefore it could be said Lycurgus or Lycurgus. It's hard to tell how they're gonna say it here, but generally, normally, in English, this would be pronounced as Seldon Lycurgus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.